Hi angels, hi my loves, it's lvluxegirl back again with another video. So in today's video I have a really fun video for you guys. I have an unboxing. So I have this package right here that came by DHL, and I figured why not go ahead and unbox it on camera, because it's so much fun when I do unboxings and I have you guys with me. So yeah, if you like videos like these, then go ahead, hit that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel so that you'll be aware anytime I do unboxings, anytime I upload an unboxing video. So yeah, you guys, this is just a little something, but it's something really cute from Louis Vuitton. So let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in with the unboxing. So let me go ahead, and I have my scissors right here, and go ahead and open it up. And it should be rather easy to get to because it's small. It's a small SLG item. And if you read the title of the video, you already know what it is anyway. So I'm hoping that the seller went ahead and did a good job of packaging it. And this is the way it came. I don't know which side is the top and which side is the bottom. They didn't mark that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. And then that way we can take a look at these Louis Vuitton SLG items that I went ahead and purchased. Just a little longer, you guys, bear with me. So basically, my bag of the day that I'm carrying today, you guys, is my Louis Vuitton Monceau. And the reason is because also I wanted to go ahead and see if these items would look really, really cute on my Louis Vuitton Monceau bag. So here we go. So I was able to go ahead and open the package. And this is the way it came, you guys. So these are my items right here. There's nothing else in the box. I'll go ahead and take this off. And let's see. Now this is the tricky part because I want to cut into this without damaging the leather of the item. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a cut right here at the top. I think that's okay. And I should be able to get to the items, you guys. So here is the first one. And then here is the second one, you guys. So this is the second one, and it's still packaged. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up. So yeah, I basically just wanted to go ahead and purchase some Epi leather clays, the Epi leather clays by Louis Vuitton. They're so cute, and I purchased the red. I'm happy so far, you guys. So this is what the red one looks like, in red, in the beautiful red Epi leather. So nice. And they do have it stuffed. They have it stuffed. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out so we can see the beautiful interior. And they wrapped, that was nice. The seller wrapped the little chain portion of the clay. These are so pretty in the Epi leather, and this is what the interior looks like. See if I can go ahead and show you what the interior looks like. There's that beautiful red interior, you guys, so pretty in there. That's what the back of it looks like. And this one is very nice. I wanted to order, you know, we always try to order, you know, some, you know, it has a little bit of wear, but nothing major, no major flaws or problems. So I'm really going to be happy with this piece. And where it's marked LV is so cute right there in the corner where it's marked LV. That's so pretty. This Epi leather is really pretty, and you guys know my favorite color is red. So I had to go ahead and pick up the red, and this time around I wanted to try something a little bit different. I always wanted a yellow piece in the Epi leather. Whoa, she's sparkling. I always wanted a yellow piece in the Louis Vuitton Epi leather. So this is what the yellow one looks like. Really nice. Let me go ahead and take the stuffing. I'm assuming that the seller put stuffing in this one as well, because he put stuffing in the other one, some bubble wrap, some bubble paper, and he went ahead and wrapped that portion. That was very nice of them to wrap that portion of the clay, you know, in shipping, so that it wouldn't, you know, be moving around as much. And the beautiful interior of the yellow is this color right here. It's a purple lilac color. I'm not sure what the official color is called by Louis Vuitton. Go ahead, drop a comment in the comment box down before, you Louis Vuitton aficionados, if you know exactly what this purple lilac color is called that's mixed with the yellow Epi leather. Go ahead and comment down below. But that purple interior is so pretty, you guys. It's so pretty on the interior of the yellow Epi clay. So yeah, I basically wanted to order these two beauties because, you know, it's fun to have them as SLGs in your bag, as well as I wanted to go ahead and use them with my accessories. And right now today, this is my bag of the day, the Louis Vuitton Monceau, and I have my regular clay with this. So I wanted to go ahead and try it out with this. I've been wearing this together, and I don't have the multi-clay, the official piece by Louis Vuitton that has this, you know, this clay with it, the coin holder. But this is the way I've been using my Monceau, and I had won this strap a while back from the lovely Snow 7707. I won this green strap from her a while back, and it's come in handy now that it's summer months outside and I'm wearing my denim little lightweight jacket along with, you know, my Monceau. This green strap is really coming in handy. So I don't know, but let's try it out. I don't know if I'm going to use the clay on these, but let me go ahead and try it out. Let's see what it looks like on this bag, or if it's going to be a little too much to handle. It might be a little too much for me to handle on the Monceau. However, it might be a little too much for me to handle on the Monceau. However, I know that I will go ahead and use it on my Alma. So I brought my Alma in here with me because I know that I'm not going to mind using the clays on my Alma. So let me go ahead and put it on my Monceau as well as on my Louis Vuitton Alma, and let's see which one I like the best, you guys. So I figured you guys can keep my company while I go ahead and test this baby out. Okay, so this is the Epi leather in the yellow, and this is what it looks like on the Alma, and I'm loving it on my Alma, you guys. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna love it on my Alma and on my Speedy. I think that color looks so nice against the monogram print, against the Louis Vuitton monogram print. That yellow looks so nice. I know this is gonna be one of the ways I'm gonna rock this bag in the summer. And just imagine with some yellow like flip-flops, you guys, maybe some Kate Spade flip-flops or some Havaianas. Oh my God, some yellow Havaianas with this, with a little summer dress, or with my jeans, or with my shorts and some yellow Havaianas. That's gonna look so cute. Is it Havaianas or Havanas? You guys know the shoes that I'm talking about. That's gonna look really cute if I could find a yellow pair at Nordstrom to match this. I think I'm gonna be on the search for that, you guys. So that's what the yellow one looks like with my Alma, and that's a thumbs up for that one. That's definitely a yes for that one. I'm liking that one a lot and the way that one looks. Now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like the red, because red is my favorite color, and you guys know I love red. So I'm pretty sure the red is gonna be a yes. I'm gonna try it on this side of the bag this time. I'm gonna put it on the other side of the bag. Let's see how that looks. But I'm pretty sure the red will be a yes as well. And I do like it. Of course, the red is gonna look super nice as well with, like I said, once again, with my Alma or with my Speedy, as well as with the Monceau. So let me go ahead and try this baby out on the Monceau. Since I've been wearing my regular clay, let me see how this one looks on the Monceau. I don't know how it's gonna look with the different color. I might want to just stick to the monogram clay on the Monceau, you guys. It might be a little too much color for me, but we're gonna go ahead and try it out. Let's see how it looks. I'm glad I have you guys with me to keep my company while I go ahead and play dress up with these bags. Okay, so this is the red. It actually looks kind of cute. It actually, my voice went so high just now. It actually looks kind of cute. I actually think I like it. I think it looks okay. I think I like the monogram one a little more, where you get the monogram here and the monogram on the bag, but it looks okay. And I don't know, I love the yellow on the, Alma, the yellow Epi leather clay on the Alma. I don't know if I'm gonna like it on this Monceau bag, but let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what we think. This is my first time trying this, so we'll see how it looks, and we'll see if it's a little too much. Okay, so this is what the yellow one is gonna look like with the Monceau. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. For me personally, I'm gonna vote on the all monogram, the monogram Monceau and the monogram clay, and I'm gonna stick to the Epi leather clays on the Alma and on my Speedy. So that's my vote, you guys. But comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I really would like to hear your input and your opinions on what you think on how to rock it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the monogram one back on, because this is the way, just so I can show you the way that, you know, my preference. So this is my preference for the Monceau. I like it better the way I had it with the monogram clay. I love this together, you guys, with the green for the summer, like with what I'm wearing today. So let me go ahead and put that back on, because it just looks so cute together. This is my bag of the day today, you guys, and I have her right now. You can see there's a lot. I have my mask and some other things in there. My bag is kind of, this is everything that I have in my bag right now, you guys. Just kind of tossed in there. And this is what I'm liking, the look of that together. And then we're gonna go with the yellow. I really like the yellow on this Alma. So let me go ahead and put the yellow back on the Alma. So this is what I'm liking, you guys. I think I'm gonna enjoy wearing this monogram one with my Monceau, and then this yellow one with my Alma or my Speedy. So thanks, you guys, for sticking it out with me for yet another video. Remember to hit that like button, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out anytime I upload new videos, as well as comment down below. And I'll see you again soon in another video.